Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making hearty black bean quesadillas. Let's get started. We're going to start with a 15-ounce can of black beans that we're going to drain and rinse. Those go in a bowl. 1 cup frozen corn. You don't even have to thaw it out. Recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm throwing in this can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. That was a 10-ounce can if you're playing the home game. We're making quesadillas, so this is sharp cheddar. You could buy pre-shredded. I prefer not to because this melts better. Less filler. And you want about 2 cups of this. Chopped cilantro. You don't need to mince it up, but you are going to want to cut it up pretty good. And we're going to throw in 1/4 cup of that. Next up, we want 1/2 cup of diced red onion. This is kind of a big red onion. We probably will not use the whole thing. We're going to take 1/2 cup of it and just toss it in. 1 cup. 2 cups. Recipe calls for minced garlic. I'm going with pressed because pressed garlic is more garlic per garlic. 2 cloves. Because I like garlic. Probably should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. I decided that it wasn't, in fact, okay, and I switched to a bigger bowl, and notice how much better my life got immediately. This seasoning is from the taco episode. This is taco potion number 20, and I'm just going to throw the whole thing in. I did omit the cornstarch for this one, so recipe should be in the description below. Swish it around. Get everybody nice and coated. Now, I'm not going to make all of this all at once. I'm going to spread it over several days because this is my lunches for the week. Medium heat. Decent amount of oil. Theoretically, you can get whatever size tortilla that you want for this. I like the big ones. You're going to generously coat 1/2 of the tortilla. You can do 2 at once, but it's a little tight in the skillet. Okay, it's starting to sizzle, so I'm going to throw it in. You should be greeted with a sizzling sound. And for our dipping sauce, we have Mexican crema. This is kind of sour cream's cousin. Watch out, it will cook fast. You get good browning on this. You want it kind of crispy, kind of pliable. I'll probably flip it once. Don't forget to do the fold. And I'm going back over to get the spots I missed. And look at it, it's beautiful. And like I said, this is lunch, so I'm making myself a little lunch box. Okay, I got my lunch prep for tomorrow. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.